Well, how to change the oxygen sensor is the easy way. At least that's what we're thinking we're calling it.
Mm-hmm.
Now we gotta tighten it up.
I'll try this one.
You can.
Too tight. That's gonna be good, doesn't it?
Yeah. I don't think it's going anywhere. Now we gotta get this one off.
That's more rusted, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it broke. Got it. Broke free finally. Must have been all that WD-40 I threw on there.
That's what it was.
And this is the gray wire one. Just sake, only one more to go.
I got to thinking, did they put coating on the... They did. Your anti-seize is already on there.
Yes. It's got a washer on it.
Yeah.
What happened to the washer in that one? Oh, there it is. Rusted.
Compressed.
This is the easiest way to do oxygen sensors.
That though. Right tool and not in the car.
Yeah, this one's given some more leverage. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
On there? All right, 2 brand new oxygen sensors. So let me get the other cat. This one claims it will not cooperate. He says resistance is futile.
This should be easier to get off of the two, I'll bet.
You're hitting that.
I was skirting over the top of it.
Oh,
Good
you
luck
are.
one.
I need to try to be steamed on this thing.
Oh. You okay?
Yep, missed my fingers.
Boy, when that thing breaks loose,
Woo!
no warning.
Actually stabbed it into the pallet. Woo! Now which connector is that?
That's the 6 pin, 3 and 3.
The big one. Yeah, my fingers tightened it. We're all good.
Oh, good. Torque to spec.
Oh, maybe not. It'll rust weld itself. No worries.
Yeah. I never heard oxygen sensors just falling out.
Never heard of one just popping out? That's going in a little ways.
It's crushing the crush washer. And we hit the wall.
Yep. Now,
That'll be the top one.
this is the easiest one right here.
Okay. Might be. What your fingers do.
How's your fingers doing?
Good. Moving just in time. Oh, come on. No, I turned it.
Ah,
Stuck.
stuck.
A little stickier. I bet you do it now.
Oh,
Maybe?
no.
See.
That one says I'm not going willingly. I want to rust myself in there. Now it's coming out. We have to examine these after we're done to see how
150,000 miles looks like.
well they handled the 152,000 miles with the water pump dying. That one's gonna take a few runs to go in.
Okay, now. There we go. Put it in there.
Cool, we got a ways to go. Let's turn it a little more your way. There we go. It's still crushing, isn't it? There we go. Oxygen sensors in. It's that easy, folks. Who said they were hard to do?
Oh, we can get a good picture of the cat now.
Let me check the cat out. Check that out, folks. 152,000 miles on them cats, and they're still in good shape. Wow. Can't get any better than that.
Mm-mm.
And that's the exhaust side. Well, that's it, folks. The easiest way to replace oxygen sensors on a Ford Edge. Doesn't get any easier. Got a light? Show it down in there.
You can see the sensor.
See that, folks? Look at that cat. In good shape. You can see it, and you see the oxygen sensor right there. You see that? Those cats are in great shape.
Gaskets. I thought that some of that looked like gasket material, but just surface rust mainly, I guess.
Carbon buildup.
Yeah.
Clean them up a little bit, and
I don't think it'll take much.
no. You got the rags in there to keep the garbage from getting down into the cat. You're just trying to clean them up a little. Goal is not to grind material off, just to clean them up. There we go. Guess we can do the other ones and get her done. A little bit heavier rust on that part.
On the outside.
Just want to make sure we got a flat surface. That's it. Alright folks, a little bit of a quick review on the oxygen sensors. You see this here, the thicker ones are the actual upstream. In other words, they're the ones on the top of the cats. And you can also tell because they're 5-wire. You got 4 wires here. You have a gray, you have a black, you have a white, you have a yellow, and a blue. And then the connector is also bigger. And you have 6 pins on the inside right there. And these will take and look different because the orifice on the end of them is smaller. I do notice that depending how they're sitting in the cat, they have different colorations. It's a little darker on the back and it's a little lighter on the front for the airflow. So yeah, this is how you really determine, because the bigger pin or bigger connectors like these are the upstream. So if you get confused, all you have to do is look at the size of the connector and then the number of wires, and that will tell you that those are the upstream. So when you buy them, you want to make sure you check that out. The downstream, as you can see the pattern on them, is pretty well carboned up, but the orifice at the end is much larger and it is smaller in diameter than the upstream. And this one only has 4 wires, and those wires of course are black, gray, and then I want to say it's another white one, and then there's 2 white wires that are associated with it. Okay, so and the connector is definitely different when you compare the 2 connectors. So if we compare them, you can't get them mixed up because both connectors are different size-wise and how they plug in. So you can definitely see the difference. So you can't really go wrong. The only place you'd go wrong is if you're buying them and don't know what you're asking for. But overall, you're not going to mix them up because the connectors are different and also the wires are different. So pretty simple to figure out, but just remember 4 wires downstream, 5 wires upstream, and you'll be pretty good shape when you go to replace these. We did it easily because we took the cats out and changed them out of the engine compartment. So yes, we cheated, but hey, while you're there, take advantage of everything you can.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.